Hey guys, so I am back where I started. I have a new room. I love this room. I'm gonna give you guys a full room tour, but I haven't unpacked and I've been here for a month. You guys can't see what it looks like, but I'll just show you guys really quickly that it's a complete mess. So, like I promised, I would be doing these videos regardless of how I look. I put all of my sheets and stuff inside of my laundry hamper thing, and now we are going to go upstairs and wash my sheets. I washed my sheets already, so they're drying, but first I'm gonna get all of this stuff done, and then I'll give you a full room tour once everything's super clean. But yeah, I don't look so great today, but I also don't look super bad. And I decided that regardless of how I look, we all have our days, and I'm just gonna post this stuff anyways in case, you know, there's someone out there that needs the motivation. And yeah, so let me just take off my first layer. I just wear this as a, it's like a shell. It's kind of made out of plastic. It's just for the style. It's my little mini trench coat jacket thing. I get a lot of compliments on it, but yeah, when my brand comes out, I'm gonna start making a lot more like cute clothes that are actually quality. And yeah, I don't know where to start, but I'm thinking we can just go from like the biggest luggage. No, wait. I'm thinking we can go from the biggest to the smallest. Yeah. So that way it'll look good. I don't know if my hair looks good like this or if it looks good back. You guys let me know, but right now I think it looks good like this. So here's the downside. I have my windows open, but it's actually very windy. So I'm going to close my windows while I like set things up because we don't, yeah, I'm not feeling great today and my face is a little bit swollen. I also am severely dehydrated, so yeah. Let's see how this works. I think this is a good angle for you guys to see like kind of everything right now. So I'm gonna figure out a way to like put you guys here. Yeah, I think this works. So we're gonna go through my stuff, and I'm gonna put my toiletry bag over here. And then we're gonna get ourselves started. I'm probably gonna edit that out. That was embarrassing. The world's gonna see that. So we're zipping up the jacket all the way. Maybe it looks bad. Maybe I'm gonna regret doing that. Okay, there's no structure to how any of these clothes were packed. I just kind of threw everything inside. So let's just start with the biggest one that's in front of my face. So cute, this little cardigan thing. It's made out of all cotton. I like wearing it, but it has holes in it, so it's also kind of cold. I'm gonna put that here. I have another cardigan that's made out of plastic, but it's super cute. Got so many compliments on it when I did my chaplaincy in the cartel and the cardiac intensive unit, and it smells like home still, so I really like this. And it says, "Have a nice day." So, you know, I like wearing it. It's kind of cool. I have like a little French thing going on. I wear it with flats and then jeans and stuff. And then I have my sweatpants. I'm gonna start, okay wait, let me just push this into view. It's a mess. There's no structure to this. But I do have some hangers available, so I'm just gonna start hanging. Okay. I'm gonna put this right here. This was for summer. It was so nice. But now it needs to go up into and have a relative type of system going on so that I can redo everything. But yeah, okay. I didn't even know I had that with me. Okay, this is done. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna nest this inside this. And then we're gonna close this. So, this is done. And now we're going to have to bring this. Oh, shoot. Okay, we're gonna bring this over here so I can start hanging everything up. First, I'm gonna pause this in case. Ah! You guys fell. Okay. Actually, you guys have a pretty good view of this. I'm gonna like walk back and forth. So, oh shoot. Almost slipped. This dress has to be hanged because it's a shirt dress, and yeah, I need to hang this up. I have this too that it needs to be hung, and I love this jacket. It's like a little pea coat, so I wear it during the winter time or like the fall, you know. It's not super warm, but this is a dress that my parents got me from Brooks Brothers, and it needs to be, just needs to be like dry cleaned or something. I don't really know, but I'm gonna hang it. You can tell how tired I am. Oh, I mean, yeah, I probably should have done that. There's like these bottom drawers too. Well, we'll see how we fix that. Okay, there's a mess in here, but we are done. Like unpacking all of the clothes, which I'm pretty happy about. Okay, so if anyone wants to know where I got my luggage, my mom got it from a store called Ross, and she bought it as a whole set. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put it underneath this like little chair thing I have. I'll show you guys later. can see I finally kind of have a clear floor. And I think what I'm going to do next is, I don't know, I think I'm gonna do my bed last. I wanna do this. I have a bag full of stuff that I don't really know what to do with. So I'm gonna just start putting stuff away, but I'm gonna give you guys a different angle now. So, this is the desk. I'm going to move my pillow, pet. We are going to go back to the floor because I need to unpack the rest of the stuff in here. So. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I'm getting really tired of doing this. But yeah, it's a brand new pillow, by the way. Show you guys what I did with this window, or what I did with the other window, with this one. I don't know why that filmed on cinematic, but I really, not that I don't care, but I don't care. Y'all are getting this video regardless because it's been a year since I've done a proper like clean my room video. So yeah, and we will keep filming and unpacking. All right, the moment everyone's been waiting for. It's time to go get my sheets. Salve, signore. No. I'm opening the elevator. Now I'm closing the elevator. I don't know how you do like law work. Now I'm in the laundry room. It's really nice out. You feel me? Grab my sheets. And everything will be good. See, these are my sheets. Alright, y'all, I have my sheets. And now we're gonna go back outside through this tiny little door. And we are going to put the sheets on finally. So I have something to sleep on. You're like, you've been sleeping on a bed with no sheets? No. Been traveling. But now I have to wait. Should do a thumbnail. Who knows what the thumbnail is gonna end up being. Okay, I could not like do this with 2 hands. we're going down. We're going down. All right, y'all. We're back in my room, and I don't know if you could see any of that, but that's going in the video. I don't care, bro. And now we're gonna put all of the sorry, I'm burping. I just had pasta. Now we're going to put all of my sheets on my bed. Just need to figure out where to put you guys, you know? So you guys might be thinking, where did she get her sheets from? And I'm just gonna tell you, I got my sheets when I was in college 4 years ago when I was 18, and I still use them because it's useful, and I'm so glad that I kept all of my stuff in college because I still use like half of the decorations. And yeah, you'll see. So this is the bed. I did it nicely. Okay, all the sheets are good. And then this is my nightstand. Okay, has a little lamp action here. And I'm going to put this over there, but I probably will. So let's just do that right now. I'm gonna leave my relics here though. So with that little icon, and I'm gonna put my little patron saint right there, and I have my laptop over here. I have this is my fridge. I'm too lazy to figure this situation out, but maybe I'm not too lazy. I'm gonna do this. My toiletry bag that I take from college also. This is hair accessories, you see, and more miscellaneous stuff, and this is my towel. You guys have already seen the closets. You have my mirror here, and then you have my 2 bags. Don't want to take out the other one. You have my laundry basket. You have like this thing to sit. This is where I put the luggage, and I figured this is where I'm gonna start putting my backpack. I don't even know. Maybe I'll put it over there. And then this is the view that I have from outside. I love my room. It's on the main street. I'm just making sure to be careful. And this is, oh yeah, well, there's nothing in here, but you guys can look inside. I don't know if I already did that, but it's clean. And then this is the view on the other side, and the garden and everything. Yeah, it's gated. So I do recommend this place to live if you want a safe spot. And yeah. Okay, y'all, I just realized that I didn't send you guys what the whole room looks like from afar. So I'm gonna send it to you now. The room is kind of a little bit lived in at the moment. So it's not gonna look like how it was a few days ago at first. Excuse me, I'm burping again. I had pasta. But yeah, and I'm also trying to figure out like how to upload this to YouTube. It's being kind of weird right now, so yeah. That was my room, and that's about it. I'm gonna start editing this and get it up on my YouTube, so then everyone who's been waiting for the year can see what I've been up to. But thanks for staying with me.